Friday night, my parents and I, so I have this lovely rosé. Dad is with his martini. Mom, cheers with her martini. You guys are so cute. We just ordered dinner and we're having a really nice evening.
We wouldn't really even have them decorated with Christmas.
Okay, hello everyone and happy Saturday. Starting off this portion of the vlog a little dressed up. I need to catch you guys up all on what the plan is for today and what is going on. So we're up at our lake house still. Saturday this morning I literally just like woke up, edited a whole video, got that pre-uploaded, had lunch with Elizabeth, went and got coffee, and then literally came back and started getting ready because we are about to go to a wedding, which is so fun. So my sister Claire, my older sister Claire, this is like one of her best friends, is in the wedding. She's a bridesmaid. So it's like an hour and a half away. Since it is an hour and a half away, we're driving my mom there because my dad is already there at the country club playing golf with Claire's boyfriend Connor. So they're playing golf all day, then they're gonna go to the wedding. Claire's been getting ready all day for the wedding, and I think she got there the night before. So Elizabeth and I are just gonna drive my mom there, and that way they only have like one car. I've had it since the beginning of summer and I've just been waiting for an opportunity to wear it, and I just think this is perfect because it works both for like a wedding, since we're gonna be like in a church. I wanted it to be like covered. So first of all, I'm obsessed with the print of it. This has a name. In fact, we used to have wallpaper in our house like when we were really little. I think it's like, it's not tulle. Okay, my mom will know. I'm like obsessed with this pattern, and I love the bright pink color, and then I love the ruffles at the bottom of the skirt, and I also love the sleeves. Like, look at that smock detailing, and then it's kind of ruffly. I'm taking the white Valentino because I like how this is structured up against this more like ruffly, girly, feminine dress. I will obviously leave a link down below, and then I'm just wearing my Target heels. These are amazing. They're so comfortable, and they go with everything, and I love the open back. And then I just did really simple jewelry. As you can see, I have my David Yurman on, and I'm just doing like a big pearl. So I'm gonna head out, and I will see you guys at the wedding. I don't know if I'm allowed to be vlogging in a church, but here we are. This is it. Super fun. Hi. We're all standing out here right now. This is gonna be good stuff. We have these pretty things right here. Cute.
Yeah, I mean, it was
just filming them.
Natural. Oh no. Same.
Get it. Get her dress.
She looks pretty.
She looks beautiful. Wow. Okay, we just came to the country club. This is one of the cakes. This is so pretty. And I'm gonna walk around and I'll show you guys what else is set up. Okay, we just came in here. This is the setup. This looks so pretty. Okay, follow me. This looks so pretty. We just got little drinks. Look how pretty. And then it's overlooking the river, which is gorgeous. And this is just stunning. Okay, this is mom and dad right here. Look how great your outfits look. Hi, the linen suit. I will link all of mom's pieces down below, her whole outfit, and we just got these little cocktails. Cheers.
Little Moscow Mule.
Oh, it is. That's actually so cute. Aw. Okay, so we're having these little mini Moscow Mules outside, and they have all, you can keep talking. Then we have all these white tables. Connor and my mom are here. Elizabeth, hi, it's good to see you. You look so amazing. Look at you, turn around, let me see the back of your dress. Look at that. I mean, it's just stunning. Let me see the shoes. I need the shoes. I need more. And then her purse. This is the full look. It's so strong. It's such a strong look. I'm so happy for you. And then this is where we are at their country club. And yeah, this is just too fun.
Hi, how are we?
Good, how are you at the beach?
I'm good. I was reading and then I stopped reading.
Yeah, we took some pictures. And we have Dad. You look so relaxed and chill. He's sitting in one of the Street and Lily chairs that are ours, which is really cute.
Chairs.
I know, they're really nice chairs. I started this Mary Kay book. It's called The Newcomer. It's pretty good. My mom just read it like a couple weeks ago, and so she gave it to me. We're also gonna crack into this little drink right here. It's a lavender cucumber. I think it's just sparkling water, which looks really good, right?
Totally.
It's pretty busy down here, I would say.
Immediately when I get to the beach, I just get tired.
I know. I might just like read and then maybe fall asleep. We did have a big night last night, so.
Yeah.
Totally.
At 11.
Yeah, we did sleep in. Everyone's using their happy to be here stuff. I have my tumbler with water, and then I brought the reusable cups, which I might pour my sparkling lavender cucumber drink into. Elizabeth has hers over there. Outfit of the night, we're going to one of our favorite restaurants. This is the top that I'm wearing. I'm pretty sure this is from Dillard's, Antonio Milani. I will find it in link down below. Sorry, there's stuff behind me. White pants and then these little white heels. I'm gonna go grab that navy Prada that we've been using. Elizabeth and I share that purse. I think it'll go really well with this outfit, and we're gonna meet Claire there, kind of rehash the wedding, and yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So happy Sunday evening. We had a really lovely time at the beach today, and now we're gonna go to dinner. Hi everyone, we're at dinner, and we just got our little drinks right here. I got an Aperol Spritz. It's a lovely night. We have Claire here. We're just rehashing the wedding, and we have a great view. So we're gonna have a great dinner and talk to you guys in a little bit, and my pretty little drink. Okay, hi guys. So it has been several days since I last talked to you, and since you watched those video clips. So that was from last weekend, and I'm obviously, as you can see, very comfy cozy, and I was editing the vlog and I realized that we didn't have a lot of footage and that most of the content was from last weekend, and I want to start a completely new video for this coming weekend because we're actually going away. So this vlog will be a little shorter than normal, but I'm really excited about the video coming soon because, like I said, we're going away for the weekend, and so it's going to be some travel content. Also, my silk pajama set is from Anthropologie. I've had these for like 2 years. They're my absolute favorite. And then my sweatshirt's from Erie and Anchor, and my blue light glasses are from Warby Parker. And it's Friday night and it's like 10 o'clock. I'm first gonna show you two quick little PR packages, and then we'll keep talking. So first, Necessaire sent me another box of some of their products, which is so exciting, and love working with them. I'm part of their ambassador program. If you guys watched, I think it was 2 videos ago, I showed you the first box that I received, which was like their, I think it was like their essentials kit. It's 3 steps. It includes their exfoliator, body wash, and lotion. But they sent me their new body serum because it has been relaunched and totally revamped. So I got the new body serum and the new body lotion. So I'm gonna undo these and show you guys. This is the new body serum. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I already showed it, but basically they relaunched this product to make it so much better. It's to moisturize and hydrate your skin, and then right after you apply your body serum, you apply the body lotion. So they sent me both. I've actually been using the body lotion and the old body serum this entire summer, but I'm really excited to try the new version of the body serum, and I love that Necessaire is always updating their products with the best ingredients possible. I also always love Necessaire's packaging. I think it's so just aesthetically pleasing. I know I mentioned in my last video, but it's totally something that you can leave out in your bathroom. It's still functional and you can use it all the time. So there is a sale going on right now, and you can use my code, I think it's 10EmilyC, for 10% off Necessaire products. So this is why I wanted to include it in this video, because I know last time you guys sat through me showing you the Necessaire products, but I didn't have a coupon code, and now I do, and so I wanted to share it with you guys. Necessaire products are amazing. I also was getting questions on my Instagram if I like what kind of scent that I get. I just get all the non-scented. This is the fragrance free, but I know that they do have products with fragrance. I think it's just preference. I personally like all my products to be fragrance free. It just kind of smells like a clean, fresh smelling product. So super excited about this, wanted to share. And then also just another little fun package. Super Sponge sent me their beauty sponge, which I use these all the time. This is how I apply my concealer, and so I'm really excited to get a new fresh one. It's always important to clean or switch out your sponges or brushes that you use for your makeup, just to ensure that you're keeping your skin super clean, and that, you know, makeup can build up so easily. So I think this is great. And then they also sent me the cleaner with it, which is also appreciated. And then that's the Instagram right there. You guys can follow them, and it shows you the steps. So I wanted to just show you guys Necessaire. It's kind of like a beauty moment right here. So I wanted to make sure to include this in the video. So I wanted to make sure to include those products in this video. But like I said, tomorrow my family, me, Elizabeth, my parents are going out of town, which is going to be really fun for the weekend. Just Saturday to Monday. My parents are actually currently out to dinner with some friends, and Elizabeth worked all day. So we're leaving tomorrow. Claire is not coming because she's in Colorado with her boyfriend's family and her boyfriend. So yeah, I'm all packed. It's only like, you know, 3 days, so I just brought like a medium size. It's not like a super small suitcase, but it's a nice medium size. Didn't pack a whole lot, which is good. Yeah, so this is all set. And then over here is kind of a mess, but I laid out my outfit for tomorrow, my jewelry, my shoes, and then this stuff. I need to figure out what bag that I'm taking during the day tomorrow, so I will find a home for that. So that is all set right here, which is great. Then I'm just gonna put this right here, my MZ Wallace bag, and that's what I'm gonna put like my iPad, vlog camera, computer, all my chargers and stuff. That's like a really good travel bag because it stays protected. It also coordinates with my black suitcase, which is super fun. So we're going to Chicago for the weekend. I'm so excited because I'm actually seeing my best friend from high school, Megan, and some of her friends. It's gonna be so much fun to see her. We have a lot of really fun things planned and I'm excited to travel. We haven't been anywhere in a minute and I just love travel content. So I know I'm ending off this vlog a little just cattywampus. I'm in my pajamas, like ready to go for bed. But I wanted to have a explanation and a proper ending for this shorter vlog, and stay tuned for a Chicago vlog. So excited, and also be sure to follow me on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. We had such a fun weekend last weekend and I'm looking forward to a really fun summer's weekend again. So subscribe if you're new here. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.